Hey everyone, it's Mark the Tax Wit with your Tax Tip Tuesday. Yeah, I've been avoiding the cameras to not subject anyone to my hair, but I've got the slow bozo going here. But anyway, because of an update from the IRS regarding the stimulus, I figured I better give this information to you today. So, if you haven't received your economic stimulus relief check, there is a deadline coming tomorrow at noon. It doesn't mean that it's a deadline for you to receive your payment. It's just if you want to get direct deposit and you don't want to get it as a check, then you have until Wednesday at noon. But here's the thing, they didn't say whether it's noon at Eastern time, Standard Time, your time zone, whatever. So I'm going to suggest that maybe you do it based on Eastern time, just to be on the safe side. So that'd be 10 o'clock Mountain Time, 9 o'clock Pacific. Anyway, what you have to do is you have to go on and you have to do the Get My Payment and see if you can get it set up with your direct deposit. If you can't get it to work, don't panic. It just means you're going to get a check in the mail to your last address that you filed with. Okay, the IRS also announced the payments made to those who were receiving them for a deceased individual, you're supposed to pay those back. It says return the entire payment unless the payment was made to a joint filers and one spouse has not died before the receipt of the payment, in which case you need to only return the portion for the decedent. This is different than what happened back in 2008 when they didn't have any kind of way for people to give it back. There is directions on how to mail it back on the IRS website that talks about it. So you can go in there, you can check it out. Up until now, I've told people just hold on to that check and then see what happens. It looks like they are announcing that. So whether or not you're going to, go in and do that, I can't say how they're going to enforce this, how they're going to come back and make you pay this back. We don't know. I just know they did announce that they did say that if you have a decedent who got the check, you should give it back. Anyway, that's your Tax Tip Tuesday. See you next time. Have a good one.